Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Across. In this video I'll show you how to manage shifter. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the shifter panel. To manage it, firstly press brake, and now with the button located on the front of the shifter, pull it downwards to select reverse, neutral and drive. While we are on the drive mode, push it left, and now we can manually change gears. You can see current gearbox mode on the instrument cluster. You can also change gears manually via paddles behind the steering wheel. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.